Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your photo with a cloning effect on EPIK. First, just open your EPIK apps on your phone and then import your photo, and then go to effects, find blur, and in here find the 3 clone effect. Click on that. And to adjust it, you can just click on effect and adjust it like this. I'm going to lower the opacity, and then after that you can also add some filter. Here I'm going to be using the mono filter. Okay, this one, adjust it to your liking, and you are basically done. But if you want, you can also add some text or stickers to your photo. So here is the before and here is the after with the cloning effect. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.